Numerology is the science of numbers. According to the study of numerology, every number has its own personality. Numbers have inherent power, beauty, and significance to them, which can have a great influence on a person's life. From health to wealth, various aspects of our lives are governed by numbers. Basically, numbers follow us throughout our lives. Numerology involves an in-depth study of numbers to decode the underlying meaning of numbers and letters in a person's life. Simply put, once you discover the hidden codes behind the core numbers in your life will never be the same again. To put it more bluntly, a numerological analysis enables a person to realize the potential given to him, her on her date of birth to achieve a higher level of health, well-being, and fortune in life. A good combination of numbers can fetch you remarkable success, whereas unfavorable numbers can provide insurmountable struggles in life. Among the numerous forms of numerology in existence, Chaldean Numerology is the most original and true form of numerology systems out there. Chaldean Numerology for beginners. For those who don't know, numerology started thousands of years ago. In the early days, it prevailed in the form of Chaldean Numerology. Also known as mystic numerology, it's more famous and ancient than any other numerology systems out there, which were later developed on the basis of Chaldean Numerology. According to industry experts, Chaldean Numerology provides more accurate and factual readings than all the other numerological systems that exist in today's age and time. Being accurate and ancient, scholars across the globe are a fan of Chaldean Numerology. Compared to other numerological studies, Chaldean Numerology takes into consideration a larger amount of interpretive knowledge, thus being able to provide more detailed results. So, it's the true granddaddy of all the numerology systems in existence today. No other form of numerology comes close to beating it. Chaldean Numerology origin. Chaldean Numerology has its roots to ancient times. Believe it or not, it's more than 6,000 years old. Yet, many of us may be unfamiliar with the Chaldean Numerology name meaning. For those who don't know, Chaldean Numerology was born in Chaldea, or Babylon. Hence, the name Chaldean Numerology. The Chaldeans, who were occupants of the southern Mesopotamia, presently southern Kuwait, Iraq, at the time were the first ones to play around with numbers, when they realized that numbers have an imperative role to play in everyone's life. Soon after the mystical realization, it didn't take them long to develop the ancient method of Chaldean numerology, which holds a strong foothold in the world of numerology even in today's age and time because of its precise formation. Keep in mind that these ancient reformers possessed great knowledge of the stars, and they were quite famous for their contribution in the field of astrology, mathematics, and physics, to name a few. They were masters in analyzing the effect of stars on Earth, especially human beings. As such, the Chaldean numerology developed by them took into consideration both the vibration of numbers and letters. Of course, science wasn't as advanced back then as it is today. But tens and hundreds of years after the formation of Chaldean numerology, it was scientifically proven that letters and numbers do produce a certain cosmic vibration. This tells us that the ancient science of Chaldean numerology wasn't a hit or a misdiscovery. It truly reveals the truth, magic behind the power of your name and offers you with insights to optimally utilize that power. The practical use of Chaldean numerology starts with the Chaldean numerology chart, given below. As such, the study of Chaldean numerology was based on the letters of a person's name. According to the study of Chaldean, our name speaks volumes about our personality traits, areas of imbalance, and obstacles along the journey of life. It even shows areas of life that we can control to drastically improve our lives. So, for you to know the power behind your name, you will have to find out your name number. Gladly enough, you can perform a quick name reading on your own based on the study of Chaldean because it takes into account only two major things. Your name. For name reading, only name is enough. Date of birth. Keep in mind that each letter of an alphabet is assigned a number, and every number holds certain characteristics to it. The characteristic associated with your name number will predominantly rule your life. According to the Chaldean system, all the alphabets are assigned a number from 1 to 8. The number 9 was left out on purpose by the ancient people because it was considered to be a holy number. On the basis of Chaldean, the numbers linked to the letters in the name are as follows: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 A B C D E U O F I K G M H V Z P J R L T N W Q S X Y. For you to do the name number calculation as per Chaldean numerology, all you have to do is pick all the alphabets from your name and choose the number corresponding to it from the numerology chart shown above. Then, you have to sum up all the numbers until it gets reduced to a single digit. Here's an example that will help you understand the math part better. We will use the name Peter Parker, and we will go with the full name in this example. Chaldean Numerology Calculator, Peter Parker. Example: Peter equals 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 equals 24. Parker equals 8 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 equals 20. Adding 24 plus 20 equals 44. Reducing 44 to a single digit, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Name value equals 8. As you can tell by now, it's easy to calculate the name number of any individual based on Chaldean numerology. The aim behind the name number calculation is to figure out if your name is in sync with other energies in your life or not. If it's not in sync, you could face many hurdles in life. The beauty of this entire equation is that you can get your name changed to sync things in your favor in order to attract positive energies in your life. Coming to the example above, the number representing Peter Parker is 8. Important information: although we have computed the name number to a single digit 8, it's important to know that the numbers 24 and 20 will also hold great significance since they are compound numbers for the name Peter Parker. Whereas other studies don't give much importance to compound numbers, the Chaldean study places great emphasis on compound numbers. Yes, it doesn't merely rely on a single number to analyze a person's characteristics. This is one area where Chaldean numerology books or study differ from other similar practices. According to the Chaldean study, a single digit tells us about the outward personality of the person, how the outside world views the person. On the other hand, compound numbers have a stronger influence on a person's life because they show the hidden influences that play a major role behind the scenes in a person's life. Vibrations linked to each number. Each of the derived name numbers holds specific characteristics to it. Now that you know how to find the name number, let's learn about the characteristics linked with each of these sacred numbers. Number 1. Number 1 is considered to be an extremely powerful number that makes a person commanding and self-reliant. Number 2. The number 2 personifies these two personality traits: compatibility and adaptive attitude towards life. Number 3. The number 3 involves a great degree of creativity and willingness to face all the challenges of life. Number 4. Among all the other numbers, number 4 individuals are the most disciplined people. Number 5. The number 5 people are freedom lovers. Someone who is born to travel. They also have a creative side to them. Number 6. The number 6 people like to keep themselves busy in important things in life. Number 7. Although smart, number 7 individuals are extremely curious by nature. Number 8. The number 8 individuals are highly determined, ambitious, and money-minded. Number 9. The number 9 individuals can be highly helpful and compassionate in life. Compound numbers and their significance. The study of Chaldean numerology considers compound numbers from 10 to 52 only and not beyond that. So, let's take a glimpse at the significance linked to these compound numbers. Number 10. The compound number 10 is considered to be a favorable number. A number 10 person has a high likelihood of achieving name and honor in life. Number 11. Number 11 is considered to be a dangerous number. That said, you will get hints from life about the dangers from time to time. Number 12. This number is linked to sufferings and anxiety. That said, most fears and sufferings would be in the mind than in real life. Therefore, a person will be able to negate a lot of sufferings from changing her mental outlook towards life. Number 13. The number 13 represents power and change. That said, it could ruin someone's life if one doesn't know how to use the power to her benefit. Number 14. This is a favorable number in terms of money, business deals. That said, one should act with caution or else one might face severe losses in life. Number 15. The number 15 is considered to be a fortunate number only if it's linked with a favorable single-digit number. Otherwise, it's a highly unfavorable number. Number 16. The number 16 is also viewed as an unfavorable number. So, those with number 16 should be extremely cautious when taking big steps in life. Number 17. The number 17 is considered to be a lucky number only if it's connected to a single-digit number 4 or 8. People will remember you even after your death if number 17 is linked to number 4 or 8. Number 18, there's a good chance of facing dangerous situations in life. Basically, number 18 is not a favorable number according to Chaldean Numerology. Number 19, fortune, good luck, happiness, and success will kiss your feet if your compound name number turns out to be number 19. Number 20, for those with number 20 will have to play a waiting game in all areas of life because nothing in life will come easily to them. Number 21, the number 21 is an extremely lucky number, where one can expect to enjoy great success and honors in life without any fuss. Number 22, the number 22 individuals are usually surrounded by danger. To make matters worse, they will generally act only when it's too late. Number 23, this is a lucky number where you will always receive timely help and support from life. So, your chance of succeeding in life is also high. Number 24, this is a fortunate number too, where a person will get to enjoy a good life along with love, support, and affection from others. Number 25, this is a fairly fortunate number, meaning that you won't meet with success immediately. You will have to go through a fair bit of a trial and error to succeed in life. Number 26, those with number 26 run the danger of being hurt by close associates in life. So, one should be very careful when taking advice from others. Number 27, the number 27 individuals will get to enjoy a lot of power and authority throughout their life due to their superior intelligence. Number 28, this is a highly unfavorable number linked with a lot of threats in life. There's also a high likelihood of facing suffering from closed ones in life. Number 29, the number 29 is also an unlucky number linked with deception, unexpected dangers along with trials and turbulences in life. Number 30, the number 30 is neither lucky nor unlucky. You may not feel extremely lucky or deserving, but consistent efforts will fetch you good results down the road. Number 31, in the world of Chaldean, this is a very general number. Those with this number may feel lonely and isolated in life. Number 32, this will prove to be a favorable number only if you listen to your own gut feeling. You shouldn't pay heed to the advice offered by others. Number 33, this is a lucky number, wherein you will receive a lot of love, affection, and support from others in your life, including your friends and relatives. Number 34, although a fortunate number, good fortune won't come on its own. You will start receiving help and support from others only after grinding a lot in life. Number 35, the number 35 individuals run the risk of mistrust. Therefore, they should be careful when taking life advice from others. Number 36, the number 36 has similar properties to that of number 27, wherein a person gets to enjoy a lot of power and authority in life. Number 37, according to Chaldean Numerology, this number is good for a person on 3 different fronts: love, friendship, and money. Number 38, the number 38 is an unfortunate number that is characterized by uncertainties, mistrust, and dangers in several different walks of life. Number 39, neither fortunate nor unfortunate, number 39 can make you powerful with consistent efforts. However, you may not feel extremely lucky as deserved. Number 40, this is a general number that doesn't hold great merits in the books of numerology. There are many times in life where you may feel lonely and isolated. Number 41, the number 41 individuals are advised to work on their own instincts as opposed to listening to others for favorable outcomes in life. Number 42, the number 42 has similar characteristics to number 24, where a person will get to enjoy a lot of love, support, and affection from others. Number 43, the number 43 is an unfavorable number where a person will see a fair share of failure, unfortunate events, and losses in life. Number 44, those who end up with compound number 44 can face dangers from their close associates in life. So, they need to be careful when taking advice from others. Number 45, the number 45 is a favorable number that will help one enjoy good power and authority throughout one's lifetime without any hiccups. Number 46, this Chaldean number is considered to be highly favorable in matters of love and friendship. It's also considered to be good from the materialistic standpoint. Number 47, not a favorable number, the number 47 has similar characteristics of number 44, where one could experience grief and deception from close associates in life. Number 48, the number 48 is a neutral Chaldean number. You will neither be too lucky or too unlucky. Life rewards will be in proportion to the efforts put by you. Number 49, this is not a pretty number in the world of Chaldean. You run the risk of feeling lonely and isolated from the rest of the world. Number 50, the number 50 is considered to be a favorable number if you learn how to cast a blind eye to the advice of others. You should be acting on your own advice. Number 51, the number 51 is considered to be a lucky number for leaders. On the flip side, this number does come with the risk of assassination. Number 52, the number 52 is an unlucky number. People with this number are always at the risk of meeting failure, monetary losses, or any other unfortunate outcome in life. Based on the derived number from the name number computation, you will be able to compare the above characteristics to your personality to tell how accurate the findings of Chaldean numerology are. Keep in mind that the real deal is not to merely find the name number, but to have a favorable name number so that you can enjoy all the success in life without the undesirable hiccups along the path of glory. That's where a person's date of birth comes into the picture. If the name number and the date of birth computed number are not compatible, one might face undesirable hurdles in his/her life. On the other hand, if the number turns out to be compatible, one will be able to sail smoothly through everything in life. In other words, when numbers are on your side, luck will be on your side. How does Chaldean numerology differ from other systems? Although it's more accurate than other forms of numerological studies, it's not as widely used as it should be. The name analyzed under Chaldean numerology may not be the birth name of the person. According to this system, it involves the study of that name which is used more often. This could be your married name or even your nickname. If a person by the actual name of Robert is known as Rob to most people, the Chaldean study requires you to analyze the name Rob as opposed to the real name because Rob is the most commonly used name. Moreover, the study of Chaldean system doesn't involve the number 9. So, the alphabetic values of this system are not in the same order as other forms of numerological systems out there. Other popular forms of numerology systems use numbers from 1 to 9 and not 1 to 8, which means that the numbers assigned to each alphabet under Chaldean numerology are going to be different from its counterparts. The number 9 is used only when the total letters of the name add up to 9. Final words, over the years, Chaldean numerology has aided people by providing them with an opportunity to lead a successful and prosperous life. The accuracy of this numerological system is often saluted by numerologists across the globe. The biggest proof of this is the celebrities who have attained a great deal of name, fame, fortune, and success after changing their names to a desired one. Of course, the study of numerology isn't restricted to a certain class of individuals. Anyone out there can harness the power of numbers to bring positivity and prosperity in their lives. So, help others benefit from the ancient science of Chaldean numerology by sharing this post via social media. Get free personalized video numerology report. Visit www.slybu.com. It was nice connecting with you. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.